Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take a Sprint. Today we are going to learn how to earn money from StartClick with full payment proof. Stay tuned and watch the let's let's start. First of all, you need to go to the description. There you will find the link and click on that link and you will be redirected to the site startclicks.com. Then first of all you need to go to the sign up section. Okay, then we need to, if you want to earn money from this site, you need to open for publisher account, and if you want to advertise your website, then you can use as a advertiser account. Today we are going to learn how to earn money, so we will do publisher sign up. Okay, first of all you need to enter your name, first name. Okay, TECH, and your last name. And here you need to enter your date of birth. You can choose from the calendar year, and your postal address, you can find it in the Google too. Then you need to enter your city, your country, your zip code, and the most important thing is you must need to enter your phone number, because to earn the money you need to verify your phone number. After adding your personal information, then you need to enter your sign in information, your email, and you need to confirm that email. So you need to put same email address in both of the input box here, and you need to choose a password for both, and the password must be strong. And after that you can choose a security question which helps you for when you forgot your password. And here it is asking where did you find us. You can use any of the option below. And if in the referral ID you need to enter 51114947. You can find the referral ID in your description section too. After that you need to enter this captcha and press on I confirm, and you can click on the register. After clicking on register, you will get an email to verify your account. After that you will go to your login section. In the login section you just need to enter your email address that you used and your password, and you need to enter the numbers you have seen here, the code, and you need to press on the sign in button. After that you can see the interface. Here my account has balance of USD $29, and every day we can earn about, today there is the work of total $0.06. So to do that you just need to go to PPC ads available. So you need to click on this pay per click ads. There you will find some of the ads. You just need to click on them. After it's completely redirected, you can close it and you will earn money for that. All the ads are updated every 24 hours. Okay, it's so simple and easy to earn money from here. After that you can also see here, you can earn, if you are taking the gold membership, then you can earn total of $4.20 today, and if you are on the platinum membership you can earn $6.30 today. And if you want to upgrade, then you have to click here to upgrade. Then you can See here the different types of membership types. I am on currently silver membership, and we have got limited ads, and we can only earn $0.01 per click. And if we take the gold membership, then we can earn up to $4 to $5 per day. And for the platinum membership, we can earn up to $8 to $10 per day. And you can see the upgrade now button. You can use it to upgrade your account, and you can use credit card, debit card, or PayPal account, or you can also use directly bank transfer to upgrade your account, or any Bitcoin or Litecoin account. After that, the most important thing is you must need to do your mobile verification to earn the money. So your these two verification must be successfully done. You must need to verify your email address, and your mobile number verification must be done. And you can also earn money by referring, by doing refer to your families, friends, and relatives. You can just go to referral links. You can find the referral link here. You can use any of the referral links. I will put the referral link in the description section too. You can use that. If the user sign as a silver membership, you will earn $0.08 instantly. If you sign up as a gold membership, you can earn $5 as the referral commission. And if you sign as a platinum membership, you can earn $10 per membership. And the most important thing is payout settings. And you can see the request payout. Let's go there. So here we have got the payout methods of PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, and Western Union. And the minimum payout system is $50. But if we have got the PayPal account or Bitcoin account, then it will pay. It has the facility of auto payout system too. Let's check it that. Okay, let's go to payout account, and you can use your PayPal email address or Bitcoin email wallet address to your for your payout setting. And if you enable the auto payout setting, then the every time automatically it transfer part of our balance to the default payout system. So it is very easy to earn money, and we can also earn bonuses. And the main important thing is the PPC ads which we click to earn money are updated every 24 hours. So it's so simple to use, and it's very easy to earn money from this site. Thank you. Stay tuned.